Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix error code 533 in Roblox. This error is usually related to account restrictions or compatibility issues, and we will go through the main fixes. First, open Roblox and go to the main page. Click on the settings icon at the top right and open Settings. From here, go to Privacy and Content Restrictions, then click on Content Maturity. Make sure it is set appropriately, then save the changes. Also note that if your account is under 13, you may not be able to access certain private servers, which can trigger this error. In that case, there is no direct fix other than using an eligible account. If the issue still continues, open your computer search bar and type Roblox Player. Right-click on Roblox Player and select Open File Location. In the folder, find Roblox Player again, right-click on it and go to Properties. Go to Compatibility and enable Run this program in compatibility mode. Then click Apply and click OK. Restart Roblox and try joining the game again. This should fix error code 533 in most cases. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Roblox error code 533 by adjusting privacy settings and changing compatibility options. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial video.